one end of the isolation case. The way I'm trying to design this thing is so that I can slide the reverb in from the other end. This side is going to be the control panel where the output amplifier, the stereo output amplifier, is going to be mounted right here vertically. And then this little pocket right here will be my jack panel, where the XLR jacks and the speaker jack and the DC power connectors are going to be mounted right on there. So here is my end cap. I have drawn on here the areas that I would like to cut out. I don't know how well you can see that. I know the lighting is really poor in here. But I'm going to use my jigsaw and try to get this as clean as I can, and then I'll fit things on there and see if everything fits up nice, which I hope it does. So here we go. As you can see, the big hole turned out pretty good. That's basically what I was expecting. This little one, however, I kind of screwed up on. I don't know how that happened, but it looks like the whole thing is shifted over about 1/4 of an inch. Doesn't really matter. It's just for the jack panel, and the hole that I created here was large enough, so I should have no issues. All in all, I think it turned out just fine. I got these things that I need to crawl inside of the case and mount. These are stir dies. They are hooks that I will use to suspend the reverb from with bungees. We are getting close to completion. There's still a good amount of work that needs to be done, but at least now I can see the finish line. I have the plate reverb suspended in here now with a total of 8 14-inch rubber bungees. The plate itself, it probably weighs about 160 pounds, I think, maybe a little bit more than that. And this external case, when it has the sides on it, it'll weigh about 120, I think. And then the amplifier easily weighs 20 pounds, plus the added electronics from the jacks and the wiring. And I have to put handles on it too. I think the whole thing is going to weigh well over 300 pounds when it's done. It will definitely take a few guys to move this thing. I do plan to take the reverb out before bringing it downstairs, just to reduce the weight, because it is just so heavy. But right now it's in here just so I can get everything figured out in terms of how the wiring is going to go. I'm going to try to make it so that I can take it back out. It was pretty challenging getting it in here, but it does need to come back out, unfortunately, just so that I can move the whole thing downstairs. The next step will be installing the amplifier on here and running all the wiring for that, and then I'll need to build a remote control. And then the last step is going to be bringing it downstairs and hooking it up and testing of it. So I do believe there probably will be about 3 more videos before I can have this totally done. I hope you'll stick around for all of them. If you have been watching so far, I do appreciate that, and if you would, please subscribe to the channel. Well, till next time, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.